The brand new TECHART GTstreetR Flyweight. Our main mission in developing this car was to improve the overall aerodynamic balance of the car, carbon fiber front fenders, as well as a carbon fiber rear spoiler. The cockpit of the GTstreetR Flyweight is equipped with our TECHART Club Sport package consisting of the TECHART wall bar, the carbon fiber seats via fire extinguisher in a handheld format. Another highlight to save weight is the new rear window in polycarbonate. If you are excited to see the TECHART GTstreetR Flyweight in person, we're looking forward to see you at the Bangkok International Motor Show starting March 21st. Swadee Cup!